Hello, beautiful people out there. Now I am on my way to Hamad International Airport, Doha. Today I am heading to Istanbul for a short trip, and it is 12:30 midnight now here in Doha. I have a flight at 2 o'clock, and it's about a 4.5 hour flight. And just a quick note, this time my trip video is not in SD quality because I lost the original recordings, which were saved on a storage device. Despite this, I hope you will still enjoy it. यति बेला चाहिँ म हामद इन्टरनेसनल एयरपोर्ट दोहामा छु र यहाँ अहिले रातिको 12:30 भयो र मेरो 2 बजेको फ्लाइट छ। आज चाहिँ म सर्ट ट्रिपको लागि इस्तानबुल जाँदैछु र सक्दो सबै भिडियोहरू चाहिँ अपलोड गर्ने कोसिस गर्नेछु। Well, it seems like I'm approaching Istanbul as I can see the beautiful sea and the city just outside. Alright, I have landed at the Istanbul International Airport, which is called Sabiha Gokcen Airport as well, as I guess it is in Turkish. By the way, let me tell you something about Istanbul. It is called Eurasia City as well, because one part of Istanbul lies in Europe and the other part lies in Asia. इस्तानबुलको बारेमा चाहिँ म सानो इन्फर्मेसन सेयर गर्न चाहन्छु। यो सिटीलाई चाहिँ युरो एसिया सिटी पनि भन्दो रहेछ, किन भन्दाखेरि यसको हाफ चाहिँ युरोपमा पर्दछ र हाफ चाहिँ एसियामा पर्छ। Okay, I'm already at the arrival gate now. Looking for the Hava bus shuttle. This non-stop bus is the best option to reach the city center, dropping off at Taksim Square, the heart of Istanbul. I have paid €5 and then they said it will take 60 to 90 minutes to reach. Alright, here we go. I'm already on the bus. It looks pretty comfortable. So let me enjoy the ride. Okay, I am getting off the bus and I am now in the heart of Istanbul at Taksim Square, heading to the hotel. According to the hotel's advice, it is a 10 minutes walk from the bus station. I mean from here. The city looks very beautiful. The weather is very nice, but it looks like there might be a chance of rain. र यति बेला चाहिँ म बसबाट ओर्लेर होटलतिर जाँदैछु र होटलले दिएको इन्फर्मेसन अनुसार चाहिँ यहाँबाट 10 मिनटमा पुग्छ भनेको छ र म गुगल म्याप फलो गर्दै गइरहेको छु सायद पुग्छ जस्तो लाग्यो र अहिले म हिँडिरहेको स्ट्रिटले चाहिँ इस्तिकलाल स्ट्रिट भन्दो रहेछ जुन चाहिँ इस्तानबुलको मेन टुरिस्ट हब भनिँदो रहेछ र यहाँ बेलुका भएपछि पुरा रस हुन्छ अरे जस्तै कि हाम्रो काठमाडौँको ठामेल जस्तै Finally, I'm in my hotel room now. It's not bad and looks cozy. I'm so exhausted. Before I do anything else, let me rest and re-energize myself. Later on, I'm gonna explore Galata Tower and Istiklal Street, two famous tourist attractions in Istanbul. That will be my first schedule for today. Well, as you can see behind me, I'm at the Galata Tower already. The place is so crowded with people. I will explore this place first, then I will go to Istiklal Street. तपाईहरुले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यति बेला चाहिँ म गलाता टावरमा छु यहाँ केही समय बिताएर चाहिँ म इस्तिकलाल स्ट्रिटतिर जाने छु Look at that beautiful smiling lady, works figure of Julia Roberts. Isn't that she stunning? Alright everyone, that's it for now. I'll be back soon with another exciting video next week. Until then, enjoy your time and take care.